coming up first, we have Blocksee. Could I have Josh from Blocksee? All right, so we have Josh walking up here. These are really short 4-minute demos, guys. And after that, we will get into the investment panel. And after that, we have networking.
Hello. Okay, perfect. Yeah, if you could bring up just the website tab for the Connect wallet, and then we'll go into the dashboard. Yep. Hi, I'm Josh. I'm with Blocksee, co-founder of the project, and we're a Web3 CRM that's making it easy for brands and creators to step into the Web3 space, providing their customers with token-gated activations, and also providing the businesses an easier way to capture first-party data. And as we look at a cookieless future, we think that the wallet can really be a nice replacement here in terms of how companies proceed with these kind of consumer outreach and marketing campaigns. So if you look on our site right now, we have actually a Connect wallet button. This is one of the ways that we imagine powering a lot of the brands, is offering a lot of different, very easy to use plugins for websites so that you can keep a lot of the activation on your site and capture that data directly into a CRM very seamlessly and fully automated. So we connect it to this wallet. You'll see that we can load things like a user form to intake some of that data. You just connect MetaMask. No, just the Connect Wallet button right on the page. Oh, yeah, there you go. So you can see the user fields here. These are all reflected back on the CRM in a user profile that's associated with a wallet address. So it's a really easy way to capture data through call to actions from social media campaigns and things like this. But we also enable things like a chat, where you can have, a group chat or one-on-one chat for customer support tickets or community dialogues, or even token-gated chat for activations around like ticketing and stuff like that, as well as a marketplace where you can see assets that were generated in the CRM that are available here. So it gives you a direct ownership of your sales channel for any kind of digital assets. And we'll even be doing this to power events and things like that, where you can overlay QR codes onto creative assets and then have a blockchain-enabled process of being able to capture all of your consumer data without having to rely on inefficient intermediaries like Ticketmaster or Eventbrite and things like that. If we pop over, there was another tab for the dashboard. Sorry, no, there was another tab that was open to actually log in. If you go to the login button up top, on the right. Oh. Sorry, if you scroll up and then just go to login. Let's see if we can just load up a project real quick, sorry. Yeah, just go ahead and hit login. And so all of our projects, unlike traditional CRMs, use the smart contract as a data anchor point. So you can go ahead and start a new project. You can go click into this test project here. This is just a Blocksee test contract that we were using. And what we'll do is we'll take all the on-chain data that's happening with your smart contract and articulate that kind of spider web of information into a more traditional e-commerce funnel. And so here we think we're providing a real BizOps tool that takes the kind of fractionalized and inefficient workflow that many people probably in this room experienced trying to market their projects and consolidate that into a traditional kind of SaaS tool that you'd expect with like a HubSpot or Money.com, but really for a Web3 purpose. So you can see in these e-commerce funnels, we can have an inactive list of people who've previously held your assets, your holder lists. If you click the tab there next to inactive, yep. These are people that all have your NFT assets, and we even have filters and toggle switches so you can refine this custom audience for marketing purposes, campaigns, airdrops, all kinds of things like that, and add them to lists. So if you want to go ahead and hit funded wallets, you'll see that this kicks down the list, and now we can just hit that top checkbox. Yep, right there. And then go and add that to a list up in the right. And now we can start saving custom audiences for reactivation campaigns, for promotional campaigns. This could be a contract that you own or an affiliate or even a competitor that you want to be able to get insight onto their customers, right? And so if you make a test campaign, yep, we can save that. And now if you go to audience up top, you'll see that these lists get saved. And if we click into actually any of the wallet addresses, let's just click that first one right there. You'll see that Blocksee's generated a custom CRM profile around their wallet address, where now you can see all the assets on chain, including ERC20 activities. So we can start to run inference on this to understand that customer from a purchase history standpoint, so we can start to understand their average purchase price, how frequently they're making transactions on chain, and even when they were last active with that wallet, and then use that for targeting campaigns. And through that the website activation that we saw earlier at the beginning of this, that was a point where we could start to capture a lot of this off-chain data as well and pair that with the wallet. So it gives us a really comprehensive view of our customer, especially as cookies, as I mentioned, are getting phased out, where it becomes harder and more expensive to target people on platforms like social media. This gives you a true ownership of your audience on a smart contract and allows you to engage with them directly. So if we go ahead and just select the top checkbox, sorry, on the list of 6, yep, right there, and then go to airdrop, you'll see that we move to the inventory page, where now we can see assets that are connected to a wallet, either maybe an agency or something like that that's provided creative for you, or you can see ones that were created directly in Blocksee. And with these, if you hit that action tab, if you select, select one of the NFTs, please. Yeah, that checkbox at the bottom. Oops. Yep, right there. You'll see the actions tab lets you actually add this to your marketplace. You can mint it directly to the list, and you can also assign it to that list. So this creates a really easy way to token gate digital assets for people to be able to claim things on your site and also just have unique experiences when visiting your site. So now you can have things that are really customized for each audience member. And if you go to the engagement tab real quick, I know we're kind of at time, you'll see how we're able to actually add these activations to your site. So there's no SDK or APIs. It's literally just a JavaScript and HTML that you place onto a landing page, copy and paste. And so you can actually have this kind of Web3 portal and consumer data capture within 10 minutes very easily. And we offer this for free for anyone that wants to use it. We are live right now, and visit us at blocksee.co. Thank you.
The team at Blocksee also organizes a lot of the Crypto Mondays event. I know Eric wasn't able to join us today, but go ahead and take a look at it, because Eric, Josh, these guys have been in the Web3 space for a while now, and they understand customer pain points, and Blocksee was created based on those pain points. Next up,